Guess what? It's Marvel's birthday today. He's 2 years old. Marvel, happy birthday! Marvel, it's your birthday today. You're 2 years old too. It's your birthday. Are you waiting for your toys and your cake? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. We're gonna get him like organ brownies for his cake, and we'll get him some toys today. Right now I'm making my tea. My water is heating up over here. My water is done and my tea is ready. I added everything that I add like on a daily basis, and then I just pour water and done. It's super simple. And do some work. So we are going for a car ride. So we're taking him to get his cake so that he can choose. Not choose, but there's only one thing that we're gonna get for him, like the brownie, organ brownie. So I have everything I need. कुछ करना तो नहीं है?
Mommy has to sneeze. Sit. Sit. Stay. It's gonna open on your face. Okay, wait. Go in.
Yay! Are you excited, Marvel? Marvel? Are you excited? Here, look at the camera. He loves car rides. Okay, we are here with Marvel to pick up his brownies. So we already called her before, like yesterday, and told her to keep it for us because they're so good that it usually they're over by morning, like afternoon, 12 o'clock. So we told her to keep it for us. So now we're gonna go and pick it up.
Come here.
Leash, okay. Live. Come here. Here, Marvel.
Come here.
Marvel, come here.
Come on, we are going inside here. We are here to pick up your brownies. Come on, meet Kim. She always keep asking for you. Come over here. Go say hello.
Well, aren't you the biggest man? So cute. Look at you. All right, how's that going on the back right now?
You can see, like,
Marvel, did you just pick up a tail?
he's not a real dog.
You excited? Are you excited?
It is
Marvel?
a big ball of happiness. So cute.
Yes.
That tail is good. Quite obvious something, but I think you're happier with that. So excited.
Are you tired from all the drive and getting your cake and brownie and everything? Are you tired? You'll get it in some time. Okay. Daddy said you can have the cookie. So So this is the cookie that we got him. These are ginger snap cookies. They're very good for your dogs, and these are specially for dogs. Just hold on. I'll give him half of it and then talk to you. Here. Yes. So these are the cookies that we got, and we got these organ brownies. They are also for dogs. So this is the one here. So you keep it in fridge. So you can keep it in fridge, and you can just keep this outside the cookies. And we got it from it's a animal store. It's called Animal House of Distinction, and Kim is the owner, the lady over there. So we always get his food from her. She was the one actually who guided us with all this raw diet food for your dogs and how healthy it is. So that is how we came across this food and how we knew the benefits of this food and everything. So we got these brownies and everything from there. And let us know how you celebrate your dog's birthday, because we're gonna show you how we do it in the evening. And what kind of food you feed, or do you take him somewhere special for his birthday? And if you can give us some tips of what to do for his next birthday or anything like that. Do you take him to the beach or whatever you do? So, Marvel, see, it's your birthday! What kind of cake you give him or anything? Let us know in the comments below. We're super excited for his birthday to celebrate in the evening once Daddy is off work, right? Okay, now I'm gonna go make lunch because we're super hungry. So if you live around this area, Jupiter, you have to go and visit Kim's Animal Care of Distinction, that store, because it is so good. And she's gonna, if you have any dog problems or anything, if your dog has any skin issues or any other problem, she's gonna help you out. Trust me. So I'm making lunch right now, and for lunch I'm doing mixed lentils with raw papaya, because raw papaya is so good for your tummy, and mixed veggie with some white rice. So I'll show it to you now. Rice is cooking over here. These are the veggies that I'm using. I have asparagus, green beans, onion, green bell pepper. This is the frozen spinach that I'm cooking it down, and I'm gonna add cottage cheese to this. And my lentils are cooking in the instant pot.
Hello. So I just got off the work. I have few deadlines to meet. I've been very busy, but today's Marvel's birthday, so I got off the work now, and now Tanya and we are planning to go to the Walmart. So we have seen this toy for him that we have to bring, so we're gonna get him his toy, and then once we come back, he loves balloons, so we are gonna inflate some of the balloons, and then we're gonna cut his cake, and we are gonna see that if his friend Leo, who lives next door, is free, so we can get him over when we cut his cake, and they can play a little bit, and maybe they can just enjoy for half an hour or so. And that is the plan for the evening. Do let us know what kind of dog do you have, and what is his favorite or her favorite. What is something that your dog likes to eat or do? Marvel loves water, but unfortunately it's so late in the day that we couldn't take him to the beach, and there is no swimming pool around, dog pool where we can take him. So, but we do have plans that one of these weekends we will take him to the beach, and he has only been to the beach once. So this will be his, and that too was long time ago. Because of his allergies, doctors misguided us, and today we learned that salt water actually clears the skin of your dog, so it's not too harmful for them. Of course the heat is, but not the water. So, and you don't even have to give them a bath after this. Just wash it, rinse it with the normal cold water, and just wash off the salt. and he is all set. So that's what we are gonna do anyways. We are gonna go to the beach sometime soon, and for now that's the plan for the evening, and we are gonna head to the Walmart and get his toys and stuff. So stay tuned. When we are back, we are gonna show you how we celebrate his birthday. What does mommy have? Is that your birthday gift? Is that your birthday gift?
Happy birthday!
I know.
Sit.
You have to wait for.
Yes.
You have to wait for the cake cutting.
We'll cut the cake and then we'll gift you.
I
Sit,
know.
sit, sit. Okay.
Okay, we have to cut the tags and then we'll give you. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So you stay here. You wait for some time. You wait. Why? I know it's for you, but mommy daddy have to inflate all the balloons and put all the balloons, and we got so many things. We got so many toys. We got this another monkey toy, okay?
Yes.
And then mommy has to cut this, and we got your cap.
Oh my
See?
God! Wow.
The cute cap we got. And then
Wow.
and then we got this for you. You gotta wait. I know.
Did you get her? Okay. Let
Okay.
me just inflate the balloon first.
So, guys, we got this big Scooby-Doo for him, and we are gonna inflate all the balloons, and this we got some crazy stuff over here that we are gonna try to make him wear. Actually, we can't promise that how long he will have it on, and he is behaving so well. Look, he grew up. He's finally 2.
He's 2 years old now.
So we are gonna just adjust everything and make his cake and everything, and then we'll be back soon. Mama, are you excited? Is it birthday time? Is it birthday time? You want the Scooby-Doo? You wait, okay? 2 more minutes. He's staring at the Scooby-Doo continuously. I know you want it. You want the Scooby-Doo?
Scooby-Doo!
I know.
And look at this birthday boy over here! There's a birthday boy in town! See, and all the toys for him, and we got this monkey and everything for him. Woo!
Okay, you ready?
So we have his brownie over here and the candle, and he's waiting over there! My 2-year-old baby! Oh, he's so cute! Oh my god! Are you ready, Mama? It's your 2 years old birthday! Come on! Birthday cake! Happy birthday, Marvel!
Marvel here. Here, birthday cake.
It's your birthday cake! Yeah! Marvel, look at the camera! Marvel! Yes, are you excited? So many gifts?
Okay, so this is how we decorated the patio. This is his Scooby-Doo, and this was his little monkey over here. This is his second birthday celebration, some frisbees, He already ate the cake and threw the plate over there. There are balloons all over the place, and he is playing. Look at him. He's wearing his cap and he's wearing his little necklace thingy, and he's just playing around with his frisbee. That's the frisbee he chose. He's very confused actually.
No, not that.
You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go on a walk now? With your pretty face?
Hold this. Marvel, come here. Here.
Pretty. So she's dressing him up.
Yes. He's ready.
And he has that twinkling thing.
Come on. You're like a dude today, Marvel.
Okay guys, so we are gonna take him for a walk and we'll be back.
So he's out and look at him, this dude. Oh my god, Marvel. You look so handsome. You look so pretty. Happy birthday. Yes, are you excited?
Okay guys, so we are gonna go head for not a nap actually, sleeping time. Marvel is tired. He's lying over here. We have had a long day, but we had so much fun. You guys are absolutely gonna love this vlog when you see this tomorrow. She's gonna edit this tomorrow morning and upload it tomorrow. And don't forget to tell us what kind of pet do you have? A dog, a cat, a guinea pig, a rabbit, whatever. And what does your pet like to do on their birthday? Or how do you guys celebrate your pet's birthday? So, excuse me. So share memories with us, and we'll reply you and share some more fun. So, good night.
Bye, good night.